Canceling an order on Afterpay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can cancel your order in Afterpay. So for that you need to create an account in Afterpay and you need to log in. Currently in my region the Afterpay is not available, so I cannot create an account, but you just need to sign into your account. After signing into your account, you need to locate your order. There will be probably a section for orders that you have placed. You need to go to that section, and in that section you just need to locate your order, and you need to click on modify button. There will be probably a modify button. You just need to click on that and you will be able to refund your product. So you just need to refund your product, and you need to refund the amount that you need to enter the amount that you want to refund. So they will do some processing. They might contact you using email. They might ask the reason for why you want the refund, or why do you want to return the product. So you just need to tell them the valid reason, or otherwise they won't even ask the reason. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can cancel the order on Afterpay. Hope you guys find this video helpful.